Welcome to the GenAI Studio installation guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete installation process step by step. First, go to the installation link provided by your technical contact. Before starting the installation, please make sure your system meets the prerequisites and system requirements. GenAI Studio has been tested successfully on Ubuntu Desktop 22.04.3 and 22.04.4. For the GPU driver, NVIDIA driver version 550 is required. It is crucial to keep the GPU driver version fixed. The GenAI Studio installer file is approximately 45 GB. After installation, the application footprint will be around 60 to 70 GB. In this installation guide, we are using a clean environment. However, if you purchase Advantech hardware such as Air 520 with GenAI Studio pre-bundled, the system environment and installation will already be completed before delivery. Now, let's begin the installation process. The first step is installing the NVIDIA GPU driver. Next, install the NVIDIA Toolkit, including CUDA. This toolkit is required to enable GPU acceleration for model training and inference in GenAI Studio. After that, we configure the disk using LVM settings. This step ensures sufficient and flexible storage allocation for models, datasets, and runtime components. Next, install Docker. Docker is required to manage containerized services used by GenAI Studio. Then, install the NVIDIA Container Toolkit. This allows Docker containers to access GPU resources properly. Finally, we install GenAI Studio. Please note that GenAI Studio installation packages are not publicly available. If you would like to apply for a 1-month free trial or purchase Advantech GenAI Studio, please contact your technical window to obtain the installation file. To start the installation, simply execute the installer file and follow the prompts during the process. After a few seconds, open the web browser and access the target host using port 3001. GenAI Studio is now ready to use.